front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom. Following that, use this plus at the top right corner to create new alarm and adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then hit repeat to pick days of the week. Select label and name it however you wish to. And then go into sound section. Now to use music from your device, hit pick a song and apply a perfect one for you. If you don't want to do that, just click on one of those and go back. Like for example, Daybreak. Now you can tap on this switcher next to snooze to turn it off or on, and finally save your alarm by hitting save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it off or on, use this switcher. To make some changes, click on your alarm, change whatever you want to, and to discard it, hit cancel. To save it, hit save. To get rid of your alarm, hit edit at the top left corner and click on remove button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!